I lined up for a Puma drop. Yep, let me repeat that. I lined up for a Puma drop. Find out why after this. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another sneaker unboxing. This was the last hype sneaker release before Christmas here in Manila, and it is a Puma. Yes sirs, a Puma, and it is the Thunder Spectra. Sneakerheads in Manila have long waited for the Thunder Spectra ever since it was released everywhere else back in April of this year. Well, anywhere but here. For some reason, Puma Philippines just didn't carry this, and it is odd since this is the best shoe in their current line. Anyways, after 9 months of waiting, we are finally rewarded with this much anticipated drop. Initially announced to drop today on December 22, most of the stores moved the drop to a day later, except for one, which is Soul Academy BGC, which luckily was the store I picked to go to this day. I was there early before the doors opened, along with about 20 other sneakerheads, and we lined up for a Puma. Yeah, we lined up for a Puma. Think about that. Anyways, here I am now with the Puma Thunder Spectra in the OG colorway. So let's open this up. So this is the Puma Thunder Spectra. The official colorway as per the box is Puma Black and Puma White. The product number is 3675161, and this is a size 9 US. There we go. Okay, so this is the view from the top, from the lateral side, from the medial side, from the back, and from the bottom. So after finally getting my hands on this, I can say the 9 months of waiting was well worth it. Outright, I think this is one of my best sneaker cops for the year, and if given the chance, I will probably cop the Desert colorway as well. I will also give the other colorways a look, and the other model, which is the Thunder Electric. Now that the Thunder Spectra sold well here, there's a good chance that the Thunder Electric will come soon. Overall, I am happy Puma is getting back in on the game. And that is it for my unboxing of the Puma Thunder Spectra. Please click like and subscribe, and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace and Merry Christmas.